Thanks for coming back to Rocky Mountain Backcountry, you guys. What do you think of that? So this video is going to be pretty much about just the trailer. We're doing some extreme trailering today, testing out the new suspensions. Oh, and while I got you here, check out that departure angle. That's pretty cool. That's why you cut off the back of a square drop. See that departure angle? Yeah. That's pretty extreme trailering. There it is, you guys. Woo, check that out. Ready for a reveal. All right, you guys, check it out. We're gonna get down underneath here like we did on the last video. So what we've got here is some coilovers with a remote reservoir, and yes, that is a real remote reservoir. We have a 200-pound coil spring, and we have chromoly tubing with Heim joints. So if you look right up there, you can see right there we got some, this is all precision laser measured, precision bent, extra gussets. You can see there's the extra gusset right there. The way that these spring plates are cut and mounted is just kind of on a next level, you guys. So that's what we're looking at for this suspension. Thanks for crawling around under the trailer with me. Now let's go see how it does. So the reason that I recorded all of this stuff from underneath is so that I can see the actuation of the suspension and have a good idea of what it's doing, so that I can make any adjustments as needed. But this gives me some good information as far as what the shocks are doing, what the spring is doing, what kind of travel is involved in the suspension. So a lot of this video didn't get published, but it was mostly for my information. There's a couple of quick little clips of it from the front and from the back, looking at just the suspension. I still have some adjusting to do. I've got the preload set a little bit heavy, so you might have seen it bouncing just a little bit, but I'm not ready to camp. I don't have all my stuff in there. That is, I don't even have the mattress or any camping gear in there. So I think by the time I add maybe another 150 or 200 pounds of camping gear, we're gonna be perfect. So anyway, let's keep riding. All right, you guys, so you can see that there's no fenders on this trailer right now. The reason that is so that I can check the travel of the suspension and the tire in relation to the side of the box. So some really quick thoughts while I'm walking back to the machine. I think that I have a little bit too much preload in it right now. You can see it bouncing a little bit. Last night when I took it out for a ride, it didn't have all that bounce in it. But again, I don't have any weight in it, so the next test ride is going to be all set up for camping with all my gear in it. Everything's going to be set up, and then yeah, we'll take a look at how it does then. All right, you guys, I got my diesel heater in there. I got some blankets, some gear. I think I'm pretty much loaded up. I think I'm pretty much loaded up the way that I would go camping, with the exception of maybe 20 or 25 pounds. I got some stuff put up in here. Got some tie downs holding things in, some little bungee straps, my axe, my table, tarp, jacket, other cooking stuff. So I think I've got this pretty well set up like I would go camping. Like I said, with the exception of maybe 25 or so pounds. So I'm gonna put you guys on the back of the machine, and we're gonna take a look at the suspension with it loaded. We might have to do some more adjustments, so let's check it out. That is probably not gonna be the typical trip. That was rocky stuff, you guys. Dang! So the typical trip is gonna be maybe a little bit of that, but mostly like main back road, dirt road, mountain roads. So I like it. Drop a comment down below and let me know what you think of that new suspension, you guys. I'd really like some input on that. Thank you. All right, I'm just gonna do a quick little visual of everything back here, make sure everything looks good. All the nuts look tight, all the bolts look good. I think everything's in place, you guys. Yeah, I like it. So, boom. This is a spot where we're going, and well, we can't turn around, so this will either be really fun and successful, or it's gonna really suck. So I'd really like to keep going up that trail, but I'm gonna drop a link to a video right up there of the last time that there was snow up there and I was in the XRC. Let's see, we'll just say Winch City. I think I winched about 8 times coming across that little dugway right there. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it, but you can see little patches of snow through there, maybe. Anyway, I don't think I'm going to do that today with the trailer. I might unhook the trailer and go up there and see if it's passable, but with the drifts that I'm looking at right up there, I don't think it's passable. So Well, you guys, what goes up must come down, and we did them both. So that was pretty good. I'm pretty happy with the way this trailer performs. Much better than the solid axle leaf spring suspension. So let me tell you guys, like if you do, subscribe if you haven't, and let's ride.